City, paro-paro beats, check it. Woo! Pagod na utak, walang hito sa pagtakbo. Spitfire, hanggang mikropono ay abo. Supplier, paki-deliver ng damo. Inspired, ganado na naman ako.
Hi Stanza, ladies and gentlemen, you know what's the deal? ParoParoBeats.net.
Low profile. So paano kami na-link kay Mike Swift? It was back a couple of years, I forgot how long, but I saw him in YouTube, and marami akong narinig na sa mga sa internet, yung mga kanta niya, ang movement niya, video nila sa Brighton Beach. Solid naman na move ang ginagawa ni Mike, so tama lang na nag-collaborate kami kasi kung saan siya patungo, doon din kami papunta. Tapos nung kami rin may sarili rin kaming movement na ginagawa, ang NYFP at saka ang Paro Beats. Doon nagka-link, naggumawa kami ng kanta. So tapos doon na pumasok si Stan sa senaryo.
Paano ko nakilala si Mike? Bago pa ako mapasok sa Paro Music, like, nakikita ko na sa YouTube, nag-iingay, like, marami nang nakakakilala sa kanya. Doon siya sa Bay Area at that time. So, yun, na-shoutout niyo yung NYFP. Sinerch ko kaagad kung sinong NYFP, yun, nakakilala kami ni Low Pro. Pagkatapos nun, personal na message ako kay Mike. Ayun, bili na ang mga produkto niya. Nag-reply naman siya, binigyan niya ako ng number niya. Pumunta ako sa Brooklyn, sa bahay ng nanay niya. Doon nag-chill kami ni na Jayhan. Kaya, yun doon nung umpisahan lahat yung pagkakilala namin ni Mike.
Paano namin sinuportahan si Mike nung siya ay nag-uumpisa? Is, you know, syempre, kapwa Pilipino, napakalakas ng movement. So, bilang mga Pilipino rin na sumuporta sa kapwa Pilipino, yun ang ginagawa namin din. You know, ang movement ni Mike, yung mga na-achieve na niya at that time, hanggang ngayon, syempre malawak pa rin naman yun you know, at matayog na pangarap yun. So, you know, we hopped on the wagon because not only that, you know, we didn't notice that it's gonna be a movement until nag-full force talaga na nagtrabaho. You know, talagang shit, reality to, like, you know. At saka, kami lang naman nung tayo lang naman ng mga Pilipino sa New York, so tama lang na nagsusuportahan tayo, like, you know. That New Eurekan Poet venue was crazy, man. Kasi tayo lang Pilipino doon, at saka first time ko nasaksihan na at naramdaman na pag tayo lang ang Pinoy sa crowd ng mga iba't ibang lahi. Tapos Mike did his set, and at the end of his set, he split some Tagalog joint, so and everybody, you know, that shit was like a standing ovation, like, what the, like, mga tao nagtataka, like, oh shit, like, ano yung sinabi niya, like, but that shit was hot, you know, the performance, like, that shit was like 10, like, that's 11 out of 10, like, basta, like, yung feeling na masarap sa pakiramdam proud na Pilipino si Mike at nakilala siya namin, you know. What's keeping us busy as a team is working with Sugar Bang from Wu-Tang, and that's the biggest part that plays in this whole movement. Is nung simulang nakatrabaho namin si Sugar Bang, in-introduce ni Mike ang manager niya sa amin. Simula noon, yung mga beats namin na nagawa way back, ni-remodel namin, tapos nagustuhan, naging modern ang tunog, you know, maganda, basta maganda yung maganda siya sa mga kinalabasan. Doon na nag-open yung pintuan at ang opportunity namin na makatrabaho sila Red Cafe, sila Chic Luch.
Bottle, huh? It's not your boy Chic Luch, man. Where we at right now? We in Brooklyn? You see D Block.
Yeah. Styles P.
Yo, new chips, new whips, man. Act like you know, act right, boys. Ghost, D-Block. Yeah, get it how you live.
Raekwon.
Sila Raekwon, sila
Mano,
that's the latest. You know?
You know, man, it's your boy Mano. One word describe me, homie, that's unstoppable. Bottle, you already know.
So, and then yung mga features na yun, yung mga cameo niya sa kantang yun is like, I mean, right now, those people, like, even back then, those are legends, right? Like, you know, those are legends, like, yun ang pinakamagandang part doon na, at ang pinagkakaabalahan namin ngayon. On top of that, is that, you know, like, it's only right na yun ang na-tsempuhan at, you know, sa awa ng Diyos na bigyan ng opportunity at magandang mga nangyayari. Diba rin nandito sa New York si Mike ngayon dahil
Nakasikaso niya rin yung sunugan. At kinakausap niya rin yung mga taga-grind time. And I think, balita ko si Mike Swift magkaka-meeting ulit kay Spike Lee.
oh,
So,
that's good.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a good look. Pero sa ngayon, ang pinopromote namin is yung Paro-Paro to the Billboard, which is andito tayo ngayon sa studio, sa Queens.
Lane Close Studio.
Anyway, so yeah, check out nyo na lang ang hustle ni Mike dito sa clip na ito.
Habang ginagawa namin to.
You know what I mean? Paro-Paro Bizan.
My motherfucking dudes that are rock stars, and a few that don't even watch rap. My man Reg Rubio from fucking Greyhounds watches your battle all the time. So just being here, fucking with Poison Pen is so motherfucking fun. Who puts the G in gay? That's the dude.
Man, look out for that E-turn coming soon to grind time, man. It's gonna be a problem, baby.
Ooh, Domino's judging some battles tonight. You already know, son.
What up, boy?
Ah, shit.
You already?
It's good, baby.
Yes, the reefers, y'all already.
Hey.
Sway, got to make that happen. My motherfucking hero. Yo, Monster Monday. Hold up.
My nigga Mike Swift, you already know what this shit is.
He going against disaster, but who gives a fuck? I rooted for my motherfucking Sway Supper.
My nigga, we go back like salmon, croquettes, and grits out this bitch. You already know. You here for a month?
We gotta record not only a song.
Yeah. What up, brother?
Not only we gotta play ball.
What up, brother? Chilling, bro. We gotta play ball. Yeah, we gotta do all that.
Not only we gotta play ball.
We gotta make music.
We gotta make
Gotta
music.
holla at Domino's for some beats.
We gotta have our Domino's for beats. Definitely. And
No,
bars.
this is how we
Beats
do it.
and bars.
Putang ina mo. So, all right. When I say like, look, we're gonna try to bring people down to the Philippines to battle motherfuckers in the Philippines. Dirt back then, yes. He's going December 4th to Enigma. Love Enigma. You know I fucking root for you. So step up your game. Because it's not a different.
It's gonna be a good battle.
Enigma is the leader of Flip Top, but he yet to prove himself, and he know it, and you can upload it. So you step up your game. Thesaurus is the fucking champion of the world. So if you guys want me to bring him out there, you guys gotta step up in the English. Tagalog, of course. He can't speak Tagalog. Labanan mo ako ng Tagalog, hindi mo ako matatalo.
I know putang ina mo. That's all I know.
You know, it's putang ina mo.
All I know.
What's up, man? What's going on, baby?
Good. Sunugan, right? Sunugan.
I'll come out and get down for sure.
Yes, sir.
battling tonight?
All I know is just I gotta show love and respect. Looney, I just have to explain you to him.
All right, cutting it short.
It's 7 million views you have in 4 months, and if the Thesaurus wanna cut into it, I'm gonna fucking talk to him and negotiate what we gotta do. So Batas, one of the illest bad guys, bad motherfuckers in the
I
guy.
gotta get in this one.
Yo, Batas, what's good?
You wanna get in?
We should team up with him. We need to fly him over there to Senegal.
Mike Swift,
Word up.
Eternal, Jahan, that's my family right
Family,
there, baby.
baby, you
From
know?
way back, we talk about
Brooklyn Academy,
97, 98 shit. Like, nigga, maybe even before that. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so being that said so, he probably do a verse with you for free. He ain't charge you. It's on me.
I don't know. He's gonna pay me. This is my boy right here,
I don't give a fuck. I earned that motherfucking track because I'm a fan of fucking PH. I'm a fan of Pumpkinhead. I'm a fan of Flip Top. I'm a fan of Sunugan. So respect, one love, grind time.
What's good, Flip Top? You heard? Grind time to Flip Top.
Exactly. Dirtbag Dan be there December 4th.
Yo, turntablism, my man, my fucking favorite DJ right here, you know what I'm saying? Turntablism, Brown 13, Jersey, Brooklyn, New York, you know what I mean? Just look out for this nigga. He's not the DJ for grind time for no reason.
24th.
You know what I mean?
No, I think I'm guessing the 24th.
I'm rolling through.
Alright, so ngayon nakita nyo ng clips ni Mike kung ano ang mga pinagkakabala niya. Pero sa ngayon, tinatapos namin ang Paro-Paro to the Billboard. Abangan nyo mga snippets.
Parang ayaw kong sumilip, nakakaiyak, mababaliw ang isip. Tunay ba o masama lang panaginip? Don't wanna hear it, aking pinili. Puso ko marvelous Marvin Sonsona. Sa init ng laban, parang nasa zona. Bagong hari, suot ang corona. Kung ito'y rap siya, si Kiko Magalona. Sa boxing siya, si Marvin. Aabutin kita kahit malayo, wag ka lang susunod. Young love, young love, young love, I need you my young love. Aabutin kita kahit malayo, wag ka lang susunod. Young love, young love. Saan, kailan, itanong nyo kung ano. Bakit lumilipad maingay na paro-paro? May dalang swine flu, lumayo kayo. Pambansang awit, tumayo kayo. To the Billboard, oo kayo't ako. Mula Brooklyn hanggang Olongapo. Pili, Francis M. o Fernando po. Sino ang the king o bagong darating? Monkey see, monkey do, peke na mag-ching.
Alright. So ngayon na narinig nyo na ang mga snippet. May mga featuring si Mike, si Jehan, myself, NYFP. At saka abangan nyo ang album na ito. Excited kami na ma-share sa inyo. Dahil maliban sa 3 araw lang namin or 3 araw or something na span namin ginawa, natapos namin yung ganong karami at saka walang persahan, natural. So abangan nyo na lang sa iTunes or sa Reverb Nation online. Lahat magiging online, legit. You know, it's gonna be crazy. And abangan nyo ang bagong tunog. At saka pulido itong album na to eh. Anything else to say?
Sa mixing, sa production side.
Yeah.
Basta abangan nyo na lang. At saka excited din kami sa kung ano yung komento ng mga tao sa project namin na ito.
Oo, so at huwag niyong kalimutan na ang update ay palagi sa konektado.com. Andun lahat ng mga latest, porn, lahat-lahat, basketball, drama, kahit ano, alright? At saka huwag niyong kalimutan ng paroparo.beats.net. Alright, peace.
Yeah.